नमो वित्रागाय,
नमो वित्रागाय,
नमो अरिहंताणम,
नमो अरिहंताणम,
नमो सिद्धाणम,
नमो सिद्धाणम,
नमो आयरियाणम,
नमो आयरियाणम,
नमो उवज्जायाणम,
नमो उवज्जायाणम,
वज्रायाणम
नमो लोये सव्व साहुणम,
नमो लोये सव्वसाहुणम,
ऐसो पंचनमुक्कारो,
ऐसो पंचन्मुक्कारो,
सव्व पावपणासणो,
तव्व पावपणासनो,
मंगलाणं च सव्वेसिं,
मंगलानं च सव्येसिं,
पद्मं हवै मंगलम्।
पद्मं हवै मंगलम्।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय,
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय,
ओम नमः शिवाय।
ओम नमः शिवाय।
जय सच्चिदानंद,
जय सच्चिदानंद।
जय सच्चिदानंद।
Jai Satchidanand. Welcome everybody. Okay, we'll start with Dr. Kashyap Bhai.
Yes, Chidan everyone.
Jai Satchidanand.
Bharatanandi, Jai Satchidanand.
जय सच्चिदानंद।
Yeah. My question is that the first two agyas, it says relative viewpoint, I am Kashyap, and real point, I am Sudatma. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Correct.
Now, my question is, the I in both the real and relative is the same or different?
Yeah. So you see,
It is the same I, right?
the capital I into inverted comma,
Yes.
if it is seated in Kashyap, that is relative I.
Okay.
And if it is seated in its own seat, Suddhatma seat,
Yes.
then it is real absolute I.
Yes. So, because it is the same I now, so this intermediate stage, that separation is not the full separation. Is it correct?
Oh, this separation, our separation, because our wrong belief is fractured, because of wrong belief, we have that illusion that, oh, we both, I and my are same.
Yeah.
But now, after that illusion is gone, that wrong belief is fractured. So separation is there.
Yes.
And your experience of that separation also.
No, but there is
So
also
how you will come to know that experience is
there is
there?
also a connection there here. Is it correct? The I of from relative viewpoint and I the real point is the same.
Yes, actually where it is important.
Yeah, it is. But but there is
Means
also
you are in relative
there is a
part.
separation, but there is also a connection. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, because we are in transition stage.
Yeah. So that is what I noticed, that there is a connection also, because there is a separation, because by relative viewpoint there is a separation, but there is still there is a connection between the relative and the real. It is not
Yes,
totally.
we have separation, but we are not having distinct separation.
Yes.
That experience, that experience of realization of distinct separation is not there.
It's not there.
You understand?
Yes.
Because why? So because our past karmas are pending karmas are there, discharge karma.
Yes.
So because of the force of that thing, you are not having that distinct experience of the distinct separation.
Yes. Now,
but it is already separated.
Yeah, it is separated, but
so it's a like Dada Bhuvan was giving was example.
Yes.
Say somebody is having fracture in right hand.
Yes.
Then what he will do? He will try to eat with the left hand. Then after the fracture is healed and after physiotherapy, he will start eating with right hand.
Yeah.
Then also sometimes he will use his left hand.
Yeah.
So
So
that type of things is remaining.
but in what you said, upyog, is as I understand the upyog, there is full separation.
No, upyog means when you are seated on your real seat, when you are seated in Suddhatma seat,
Yes.
then it is known as upyog.
The Shuddha upyog.
Then when you are seated in Suddhatma seat, when you are having that awareness, Jagrati, that I am pure soul, I am Suddhatma, Chu, मैं Suddhatma हूँ. At that time, that Jagrati, that awareness where you are using it is upyog.
Yeah, in Shuddha upyog, that separation is total, right?
Not total. It
What
will
is the
lead
difference?
you, it will lead you towards total.
What is the difference between Shuddha upyog and the first two agnas?
So first, if you remain in first two agnya, if your awareness, okay, I am pure soul, and by relative viewpoint I am Kasyap, by real viewpoint I am pure soul, and this awareness is there, that is upyog, Suddha upyog.
Okay. And now the agnas, often the Aputra says that if in the beginning you have to follow the agnas, but afterwards it will you don't have, it will come automatically. It will.
You see, simple thing.
Uh,
When you practice, you do pursat, you put efforts to remain in agnya. So after some times, it will be very easy for you to remain in five agnyas.
No, they say it will come, or you don't have to remain in always. You don't have to do any efforts. It will automatically, you will remain in agnas.
Yes, they are correct. But when you reach near 360 degree, at that time the state will come.
Achha.
At present, we are not in that state.
At present,
so just listen it, understand it. Okay, we will reach that station one day.
Okay. So right
so
now,
you will always awaken. Okay, still I have to remain in agnya. I have to put efforts to remain in agnya. Means there is a long way to go.
Yes, I understand the long way. But the thing is, what happens is sometimes I get confused. The real reason, and the reason is that because in the satsang, what we hear is not individualized. It is sometimes, not always, but many times it is general statements are given. Okay, so I may be in one state of development, other person may be more advanced than me. Okay.
Kashyap ji, if you have any confusion at that time, if you ask, he will immediately tell you, okay, this is this is clarity.
So I have noted, like you have said, that we have a long way to go.
And the statement given by that Aptaputa is correct. But if you take that statement that in your present situation, then you will have a problem.
No, but what I'm saying is it is correct. I'm not saying it's not correct. What I'm saying is that it is it might not fully apply to me. This is what I felt, because, say I listened to answer given to another person, it will apply to him, that is what I felt. And I realized also, not only felt, I realized that this is because when many times.
But now you are clear.
No, now that is why I'm coming to the point where I want to confirm from you that here that I have realized that my development is more on a gross level. When I do things like on a gross level, then it more fits for me. For example, I'm not able to see Gyata Dashta, but I'm able to do this prayer prayers and speak pratikraman by words, bhav. So all the subtle things I am not able to do. So
Okay, no problem. Even if you are not able to do it, okay, I have to reach to this state.
yeah,
So it's okay.
yeah. So
Even Dada Bhagwan has said up to that extent that even say it's your in the morning in that 5 prayers, Pratavidhi, you are asking for the strength, that give me the strength so that I do not hurt any living being by my thoughts, by my speech, or by my action. And still somebody is hurt, then what you are doing? You are asking for forgiveness. You are doing pratikraman.
yes,
And in the night before you sleep, you see everything and you clear your account and then you sleep. So at that time, if you are alert, afterwards alert, everything will be okay. Everything is okay.
so the
And don't think that you are in gross level or subtle level. Just keep in your mind that you are progressing.
no, my state of development and my prakriti, I should recognize. I'm not saying that I am I'm thinking that I will remain at this stage, but the present I should recognize. So it is so as to make it more suitable for. We have to recognize our own prakriti. Is it not right?
Yes, but you recognize that I am doing all this thing and I can't have that experience of suppression. Okay, you understand that thing. You
Yes.
understand that thing, that means you observe that thing, that means you are separate.
Yes. Yes.
So make it simple. Make it simple. Don't make it complicated.
I'm making it simple, but simple simple is also relative. That is what I'm saying. Simple is not one simple, but it is simple relative.
The speech is vyavhar. So anything in the word is vyavhar, is relative.
Relative, yes. So that is why I am asking this, that the Agna which Aputra says that now you have to follow, afterwards it automatically follow. What I want to further clarify in this is, it will automatically follow means it is a result.
No, your determinants is so firm that you will remain in 5 Agnas every time.
Yes, so that
your firm determinants.
So that is a result of the firm determination.
Yes.
So that is the result.
So what will happen? Say some new Mahatma is there. So second day, next day, if you will meet me, then what I will say? I will tell him, okay, now whenever you go outside, you first determine, no, I want to remain in 5 Agnyas. I want to remain in first, I want to observe first 2 Agnyas by relative viewpoint and by real viewpoint. So you are going for walk for 1 hour, whatever human beings, animals, plants, birds, whatever you see, you use these 2 Agnyas. Correct?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, yes.
But after 10 years also, I will have to tell him the same thing.
Yes.
No, then he will practice it. Then slowly, what will happen? Because of fracture, I am using after everything okay. Then I will start using right hand. But sometimes left hand will be also. I may use left hand.
Yes.
Same way here also. When your determinants is there, you are observing these 2 Agnyas, then slowly what will happen? Whenever you will go out, you will have that awareness, oh, I have to observe these first 2 Agnyas by relative viewpoint and by real viewpoint, by relative viewpoint, by real. So you have not to cram every time. You have not to do, you have not, slowly it will come automatically in your, what I say, my English is very poor. In your practice,
you will start leaving the Agnas.
Leaving.
Yeah, so as I understand that slowly the agnas will become automatically because as a result of form determination. Is it correct?
Form determinants will make you awake. So
Yes.
when your form determinants is there, so whenever you miss Agnya, it will automatically click, oh, I miss Agnya.
So the form determination is the Purusharth, real Purusharth.
Of course, it is Purusharth.
And the rest will be the rest. What will happen is the result of that Purusharth, right?
Then slowly, then you will start remaining in Agnya. You will enjoy that bliss.
Okay.
You say very simple thing. After Jnana Vidhi, next day you feel so happy that you have that Shraddha, faith. Which type of faith? Nobody can create doubt. That type of faith will be there. Like, no, now I am Suddhatman, I am very happy. I am having permanent bliss. So now if I want to go to up to the absolute state, then I have to remain in 5 Agnyas. So, then definitely I will remain in 5 Agnyas because I want to achieve that state. So that way, that determinants, that Nischay is there. And once Nischay is there, wherever you will miss Agnya, your Prajna Shakti will alert you.
Right now, when I try to do Vidhi with Shuddhopyog, means try to keep it that I am separate, that time it doesn't fit, But what I do is that as a in between that I just say the Vidhi and then means that I am separate. I just say the words that I am separate. Okay. And then they say the Vidhi, So is saying like that? Am I in Agna? I'm just saying by word.
Kashyap, you do simple thing. When you sit for Vidhi, at that time just tell Kashyap, okay, now you do Vidhi. You understand? Just tell Kashyap.
Yeah.
So now you do Vidhi.
I'm just.
Now you remain in 5 Agnyas. 5th Agnya. You do Vidhi.
I'm just telling in words. So my question, what I'm trying to ask you is that is that remaining in Agna?
Yes, it is in Agnya.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Jai Sachidanand.
Jai Sachidanand. Jai Sachidanand.
Kare bhai.
Jai Sachidanand.
Jai Sachidanand. Jai Sachidanand.
When I am sitting idly, so I was thinking just regarding why the people want to go for moksha or vimukti. Any
They
kind of
want to go to moksha or mukti because they have not achieved moksha.
Why people?
But for you have already.
Hindu dharma only the moksha is there. In other dharma there is no moksha and all these things.
Oh my friend, not like that. Even in Christianity, they say salvation. What is the meaning of salvation?
Salvation, it is.
You have not studied well. Just you listen somewhere karma, and you are telling here.
And karma have to means complete.
Salvation. Yes, definitely. Your pap karma and punya karma both are 0. Then you are liberated.
Yes.
Liberated. And salvation is the same meaning.
Yes. That's why. And
so they do believe, but they don't accept.
Second thing, one thing also in my mind, who is taking the decision for soul to taking the birth? In what yoni? Automatically is going on, sir.
What you have to do with all that thing after this jnana?
After, because this karma is going on.
You are already given 5 Agnyas. Now you understand as per Vyavasthit, this khare is going on. Khare is governed. Khare is mind, body, speech, inner conscious is governed by this Vyavasthit Shakti, scientific circumstances, evidences.
Real and relative, these 2 words are there, sir. Real is decided
you don't jump from one to another place. First, you stick to your question. Okay,
No,
you are
that
telling
is
you who is
soul
deciding.
or
You
body.
are clear about that thing? Who is deciding?
Huh.
So this scientific circumstantial evidences is deciding, means Vyavasthit Shakti is deciding for all living being. You understand? Only
Scientifically
living being,
circumstances.
not for
Acha.
non-living being, only for
No,
living
but
being.
no,
So
in
Vyavasthit Shakti will
hospital.
decide. Now here
No,
you are clear. Then
okay,
you
okay.
ask next question.
No, in hospital, doctor is describing that soul is not there. Neither.
But
Huh.
but you are having knowledge. Doctor is not having knowledge.
No,
So
doctor
he's
said,
telling his knowledge, and you have to accept it by his viewpoint.
no, doctor described that soul is not there. Now you.
Hello.
Huh,
Sir, you mute, you unmute.
huh, huh.
Karwa, please repeat.
Or
No,
you unmute and then repeat.
No, doctor is describing that soul is not there. Now relative part you have to take away.
Okay, what is wrong in it? It is correct. Okay, now soul is not there. Now you take the mortal body.
Yes, yes. So that's why I am thinking that who is taking that this is a scientifically circumstances going on, one yoni to another yoni.
You said Dada has already explained it very well. And why you are not clear?
Achha.
It is already stated that whatever karma in ignorance, when self-ignorance is there, at each and every moment you are discharging past karma and charging new karma. Correct?
Yes.
Now, whatever new karma you are charging, it will be input in the super cosmic computer of Vyavasthit Shakti. Correct? And then what Vyavasthit Shakti will do? It will give output. But for output, Vyavasthit Shakti will have to gather all type of positive circumstances to make that event happen. So this is a simple thing.
No, that comes in the like means the Kudrati Rachana.
Why you say Kudrati Rachana? When Dada Bhagavan has given you the word Vyavasthit, why you have to use Kudrati Rachana? You want to divert from Dada Bhagavan's Jnana?
No. Vyavasthit
You want to
Shakti
divert?
is one kind of Kudrati Rachana.
But when Dada Bhagavan has given that word with Vachan Bal.
Vachan Bal.
Vachan Bal is what English? Deepak Anand ji?
Power of word. Power of word.
Power of word. So when that word with power is there given by Dada Bhagavan, why you are using? You see, sometimes Dada uses the word Kudrati Rachana to explain new person. But you are an enlightened person. And for you, when you use the Dada's word, it will be very simple. And if you divert, then you will get more and more confused. Kudrati Rachana for those who are not having this vision that I am pure soul.
See, one Vyavasthit Shakti, it is a one kind of Kudrati Rachana, we can say.
But I don't say no, but what I am telling you, okay, for you, Dada Bhagavan has given this word with power. You use that word, then it will be very simple for you to clear your vision, clear your own vision. But if you divert, Vyavasthit Shakti means Kudrati Rachana, then what will happen? Then somebody will say, for Kudrati Rachana, some other word will use. Then you say, this is also same. Then you will not maintain your track. You will go out of track and it will take more time.
Yeah, that Kudrati Rachana is of different. Every body is there, no? Everybody having the different Kudrati Rachana will be there.
So there is no problem in it. For every person, Vyavasthit is different.
one kind of say we drama, one kind of. Everybody
drama.
having the separate drama, which they had bought all this, whatever it may be, sir.
Correct. The world is drama itself.
Yes.
The world is drama. But you forget that this is drama. You believe that this is correct. And that's how all the problem. One is believing that it's a correct. So they are creating problem. It creates problem for them. What Dada Bhagwan is saying, Vyavhar and Nischay. Vyavhar means, into inverted comma, worldly dealings. Correct? Now, worldly dealings, they are temporary. And Nischay, Suddhatma, pure soul, is permanent. So, actor, it will come in that part of worldly dealings. So, Dada gave simple example that the world is drama itself, and Khare, whatever the part, whatever the role Khare is having, let him do the acting. But acting should be, acting should be with sincerity. But within you understand that this is acting. This is not real. This is
not
drama.
Any kind of interfering.
So inside you have that awareness that this is drama. But drama also you have to do with full sincerity. So other people will feel that no, he is doing proper drama. So other people will feel, oh, he is right, he is correct.
Actually, sometimes I am confusing regarding the soul, Atma, when it goes from the body out of where is going, nobody is not knowing, and how it's taking the birth. It is also, everything is going on the scientifically in earth.
But
It is going on, automatically it is going on. And is taking the birth
you are reading
to another body. That is, everything is going on the scientifically, sir.
Correct. I think what is your problem? You are you are reading some other scriptures, some other person.
No.
And it makes you, it makes confusion for you. Otherwise, Dada's Jnana is so simple.
Of course.
It's so simple, it's amazing. Even so I generally, since 92, every year I am going to Nigeria. Nigerian people, what we say, they are not developed. We are highly developed. We Indian people are highly developed. But Dada's Gyan is so simple, so that they can also understand and they also progress.
The word moksha is, I can't understand what is the meaning of moksha and why the people want to go, Indian people want to go the moksha, Hindu dharma particularly.
But why you are thinking of other people? You think of yourself. Why you are wasting your time?
Why you are wasting the
time? Now after realizing that I am pure soul, I am Suddha Atma, you must understand the value of your time. Don't waste your time. Your time is very, very precious.
Okay.
I'm not telling that you are wrong, but your time is very precious. So you are always thinking of, these people are saying like this, that people are saying like this.
In moksha,
don't go that way.
Birth of death is
now,
going on.
Now,
who has
because
written all these words, sir?
What I want to tell you, simply in black and white, what I want to tell you. And now, when you have got this vision that Mu Suddhatma Chu, I am pure soul, now you be after that thing. Don't try to understand anything else. Even I advise you, don't listen anything else. Because your intellect will catch it and it will confuse you.
These words are going on all scientifically in the Hindu Dharma also, religion. Hindu religion, oldest religion in India, which already mentioned for the moksha and all this thing. So, no doubt, Dada has given a very simplest form for regarding the real and relative, all this thing. So,
but Dada has given so make so simple.
very
Somebody
good.
asked Dada Bhagwan, "Okay, what is moksha?" What Dada one told, replied. He replied in a simple way. Moksha means permanent happiness. Now you say, other people say not permanent happiness, this and that. But when Dada has given this solution and you understand it, you click, you realize it is 100% correct. Then other people, let them say anything, and they have right to say anything because they are always in their viewpoint. So just understand other people, it is their viewpoint. And Dada has given you exactness.
Bharatanandji, you don't know why Dada has said this in the Apta Sutra?
Yes. Correct. It is his solution.
What was his motive behind saying this?
Yeah, you see this sutra, Maru Swarup Suddhatma છે.
તે સકલ સૂત્રની ચાવી છે.
તે સકલ સૂત્રની ચાવી છે. આ કૂચી જેને હાથ લાગી ગઈ તેને કશા જ સૂત્ર વાંચવાની જરૂર નથી. Now, Khare, you try to understand.
Of course.
You realize that you are Suddhatma. You have any doubt for that?
No, of course it is a correct sutra.
Yes, means you have no doubt that you are Suddhatma, correct? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So you have no doubt that you are pure soul, you are Suddhatma. Now, if you have that thing, if you got that thing, then what is it? It says Sakal Sutrani Chavi. Sakal means all. Sakal means all. Sutra means Siddhant, principle. Sutra means principle. Principle, worldly principle and real principle. There are two types of principles. One worldly principles and another real principle, Siddhant. So now you have this principle in your hand. So anybody is telling anything, just you remain in your seat, you have understand the Siddhant principle. So you remain in your principle and understand other person by his viewpoint. Then you will not have any confusion. So Dada Suk, what Dada is saying, કસા જેને આ કૂચી જેને હાથ લાગી ગઈ તેને કશા જ સૂત્ર વાંચવાની જરૂર નથી. Means this is on the very first page of Apta Sutra. So Apta Sutra are more than 4,000. So what Dadaji is saying, if you are Suddhatma, if you realize I am Suddhatma, you have no doubt for that, then you don't need to read any sutra. You understand? Now, what is your state of being? You say, I am Suddhatma, I have no doubt for that. But if other people are saying anything, other people are saying contradictory thing, then you think, why is this person telling like this? Oh, don't think of why. Just see, it is his viewpoint. You accept his viewpoint and you remain in principle and go ahead. Okay?
Karabhai?
Jai Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand.
Just a minute. Hold on. Just 1 minute. Give me a minute.
And then Jayaben, please have your question ready after this.
Yes. 1 minute. See, Sureshji, Bharatananji,
Hmm.
what is as Srimad Rajchandraji said? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. You are disconnected. Can you
Correct.
see?
જેને આત્મા જાણ્યો તેને સર્વ જાણ્યું. Now you see, Srimad Rajchandra, he is Jnani Purush in Kramik Marg before 100, more than 100, 130, 140 years. What he is saying, જેને આત્મા જાણ્યો તેને સર્વ જાણ્યું. Means the one who knows Atma, he knows everything. Now, for you, now you have realized that no, I am pure soul.
Bharatananji, you can generally say this because Khareji has left.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you can just brief it out like how Dada Bhagwan has said, even Srimad Rajchandraji had said. Similarly.
Because all Jnanis, they are having same viewpoint.
Okay, fine, we go further.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Jayaben, your question? Anuben? Otherwise, okay, Anuben is there. Okay, Anuben?
Jai Sachidanand Deepak Anand ji, Jai Satchidanand Bharatanand ji, Jai Sachidanand Rajni
Jai
Amantu,
Sachidanand.
Jai Sachidanand Mahatma. While watching the first two Agnyas, file one's mind and intellect chats a lot. Okay, now file one is washing her face, combing her hair, chattering is on. But that is not how it should be. You have to just keep watching. But I get involved. Okay, now I'm washing my face, I'm washing my hair. So that goes on constantly. When I come back, I know eventually one day I'll come on track. Constant practice and consistency is required. But it's been quite some time now, So I keep consoling myself. I talk to myself. Okay, ek divas aause. So it's been quite some time now,
You see, you are trying to observe your mind. First, you be in Suddhatma state. No, I am pure soul, I am Suddhatma. And this Anu's mind is doing, Anuben's mind is in these thoughts are exhaust, these thoughts are sprouting in the mind one by one.
Okay.
Just simple, make it simple.
Okay.
If you think, I have to watch all the thoughts, I must observe mind, I must observe intellect, I must observe this. No, don't like this. Just keep in your mind and just keep that awareness. I am pure soul, and this mind, in this mind, thoughts are sprouting, and say you can observe 10% thoughts. Okay, 10% I can observe. That means my other 90% I can observe one day. Why I can observe? Because I am separate from that mind. I am separate from that thoughts. So I can observe now.
You mean to say eventually we will get into that practice of just being total mindful, total without any thought? If I keep practicing, like you said, 10%, 90%, okay, thoughts. So time will come where it will become 20%, 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
It will come automatically.
Okay.
It will, but
maybe
you will not
I'm
be
very
thoughtless.
impatient.
Thoughts will come.
Okay.
But at present, you are able to observe 10% thoughts, 5% thoughts. Slowly, you'll be able to observe 50%, 60%, 70%, like that.
Okay. Because maybe I'm getting so impatient.
That Dada Bhagwan gave one good practical experiment.
Okay.
So what you do, just talk with your mind.
Okay.
Talk with file number 1.
Okay.
So when you talk with your mind, or when you talk with file number 1, what will happen? Automatically, you are Suddhatma.
Yeah, I have written that also. I keep talking also to myself, that file 1 talks to file 1. So I sit, I talk to myself. Okay, you wasted enough time, now come back. You wasted enough time, come back now. Like sometimes there's regret. I wasted today also, my God, today also I wasted. So the regretting thing is there with it. I take Shakti from Dada Bhagwan. So
Hmm.
please help me sit down and let me watch myself. At least one day, let me do it for 10 minutes. I don't think I've done for one day also for 10 minutes.
Mhm. No, you see, all that you can do simple practices like you can sit for Samayik.
Hmm.
In Samayik also,
Hmm.
just 1 minute.
Yeah.
મારું છે ને 50% ઓછું થઈ ગયું તો તારું તો ચાલુ કરી દેજો. એ તો નહીં જતો ઓટોમેટિક થઈ જશે. હા. Okay, I change my data.
Okay.
So just do Samayik for 10 minutes. So what will happen? 10 minutes, 50 minutes, whatever time you have. But when you do Samayik, first thing you will ask for strength from Dada Bhagwan.
Yeah.
That give me the strength so that I can observe my mind, I can observe my thoughts, I can observe file number 1. So I can observe that you give me the strength so that I can observe. So what will happen? For file number 1, that thing will be formed that I want to observe. Okay? That decision will be there. And actually, here, that illusion part, that relative part,
So,
when you observe it, it
Yeah.
gets dissolved.
okay. Sometimes it becomes more, it doesn't get dissolved. I also get
No,
involved.
it gets dissolved. Say fog is there, and once the sun will rise, then what will happen? That fog will disappear.
Yeah.
Same way here, your decision is there.
Hmm.
You know, I want to observe.
Hmm.
Then what will happen? Your observing power will increase day by day.
So,
So for that, say you're doing Samayik for 10 minutes, but for that you're asking for strength, and so your power will increase. And
But
then
while
you sit,
doing any
then you will
activity-
sit for Samayik,
Hmm.
say 10 minutes, 50 minutes.
Okay.
So you will have that experience of separation.
Like file 1 has a very bad habit of cleanliness. Like she has to clean drawers every day. This is there in her blood from childhood. So I feel I really wasting my time. What am I doing? It is so futile. Like even while doing cleaning drawers, I can do that. I can observe myself. I can see, okay, my hands are moving. No, I am Shuddhatma, I do that. But again, I get involved in the cleaning part. So I want to stop this, but then I become restless.
So you say simple thing. If you are observer, then you have not to stop it.
Okay. Okay.
You understand your mistake?
Yeah.
When you are observer, you have not to stop it or you have not to continue it. You
Come
are
back again,
observer.
please. Okay, I'm an observer. So I can continue having my cleaning done, right?
Yes, yes, you arrange thing, clean thing. But now you have to understand Anuben's Prakriti, nature.
Yeah.
With this type of nature you have. And then you can even talk to her that this what this nature is doing. Instead of remaining sitting on Suddhatma seat, you enter Anuben's seat and you started doing this, that. So the realization of Prakriti will be there. And simple thing, what Dada Bhagwan is saying, okay, you must keep everything neat and clean. It's a good thing. But it should be in normality.
Yeah, in balance, of course, in balance. But then what do I do whole day? I can't be cooking whole day. I can't be reading. I become very heavy when I start writing. I've got a habit of writing. Even now, when anybody talks, any part goes on, I write, I write it down. I mean, I write it in English. So like what to do otherwise? I mean, there's no activity. Like I have really finished everything. I've concised my life totally.
But
I've
you
cut
you
down
want to
my,
remain observer, or you want activity?
I of course observer. So I can
Ah.
do the
Now,
activity
so,
and
so,
observe also. Huh.
so what I am telling you,
Yeah.
first thing, you are observer,
Okay.
you are knower and seer.
Okay.
So
Yes.
your first thing, you have to remain in knower and seer state of being.
Yeah.
Now activity part.
Okay.
So this file number 1, and especially mind.
Yeah.
Mind needs some activity.
Hmm.
So give mind that food. That activity is the food of mind.
Yeah.
So you can give different food to your mind. Say, so you do kirtan bhakti for some time.
I do that for 1 hour from 4
What I
to
am telling
5.
you,
I do.
what type of food you can give your mind, that I am telling you.
Yeah.
You can do kirtan bhakti.
Yeah.
Then when your mind say, okay, oh, now it's more than half an hour, it is more than 1 hour. Then you can tell your mind, okay, now we will listen, we will speak Nav Kalam.
Yeah.
Then once Nav Kalam is over, then your mind will think these worldly things. Observe it. And when it is difficult, you change the track. Okay, now we are let me read Aptavani. Let me read Akram Vignan. So that way you give your mind different food. You can give your mind different food. So mind will also remain happy. And for you also to observe mind will be easier.
Yeah. Especially, yes, when I'm connected with Dadaji's satsang, yes, I can be,
Yes, you can listen satsang, all the anything, video.
Yeah, I do that.
But there are two,
yeah.
you say simple thing, there are 2 types of foods for mind. One worldly food and one spiritual food. Real. So sometimes you have to give worldly food also.
Yeah, but gradually I'm cutting myself off. I'm not cutting off, it's automatically getting cut off because there's no interest left over there.
Yes, correct. But interest is not there. But when you are with your family, you have to perform your drama perfectly.
Yeah.
So family members, you say young kids, they say, oh, now it's Sunday, we'll go outside. Long time we have not gone out. Let's go some long drive. And you are not interested in it. But how you have to settle this file amicably.
True,
So
very true.
you
When
will have
the
a chance to
comes
talk
in,
with your mind. Okay, you are not interested, but this is file. So now you have to settle that file amicably. So how you can settle?
Yeah, by dealing with them properly, by even teaching them, like even I tell them 3 months.
They should come to know that you are not interested.
They'll come to know. Yeah,
that is the perfect drama.
They already know it. They say it's useless talking to you. They tell me it's useless telling you anything.
Correct, but now you can improve slowly.
True.
So they will feel, oh, now there's change.
Okay, Anuben, okay?
Yeah, okay. My main question
Anuben?
was like, I have to, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Jai Sachidanand. Thank you so
Sachidanand.
much.
Yes,
Parthiben?
Oh, Bharti no person. Bharti, unmute.
No, they can unmute themselves. Yeah. Parthiben, go ahead. We lost her. Oh, no, she's there. Parthiben?
હવે જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ.
જય
જાતે
સચ્ચિદાનંદ.
નથી થતો અનમ્યુટ.
Okay.
એક સૂત્ર આવ્યું હતું, સોરી ગુજરાતીમાં છે. દર્શન મોહનું કોચલું કાઢે પછી જે બાકી રહ્યો તે ચારિત્ર. થેન્ક યુ દીપકાનંદજી. What is Kochlu? What is
Kochlu means
Kochla
covering.
What
Cell.
included?
Kochlu means cover, cell.
A body?
Egg cell.
Hmm.
Same way, the darshan mo, kochlu. Kochlu means it's cover. It's a cell.
Covering.
Covering.
So what you say? Darshan mo nu kochlu kade. You understand darshan mo, chaitra mo? Bhati, you understand? Huh? So you don't need that expression.
Can you, for benefit of others, just explain briefly what is darshan mo in English and chaitra mo?
Darshan, as far as ignorance is there is only mo. Only one thing, mo. But once self-ignorance is gone, egoism is fractured, and you realize that I am Suddhatma, I am pure soul, then that darshan mo will go.
Yeah.
Darshan mo.
Because I know that I am Suddhatma now.
And what will remain? But still, Dr. Bharti Ben's
Doctor not
dealing.
Bharti Ben.
Are Bharti doctor છો ને?
નથી
પેલા બધા તો ડોક્ટર જ કહે, યા બધા ડોક્ટર જ કહે, જેમ ફિઝિયોથેરાપી છે ડોક્ટર જ કહે છે.
ઓકે.
અચ્છા. So then afterwards also Bharti Ben's dealing and all that thing will remain.
Yeah.
She will wear new dresses. She will change the car.
Barabar.
So what the people outside will say, oh, she is attending satsang, she is going there regularly, she is always talking about Dada Bhagwan, but her mo is there.
Yeah.
So that mo, once you realize that I am Suddhatma, then that darshan mo is gone. Darshan mo means the mo which was charging new karma.
Yes,
that is completely gone by the grace of Dada Bhagwan.
Yes.
But this charitra mo, this discharge mo, that remain.
Discharge.
So it will look like it will looks like a original mo. But for us, because we realize for us it is not darshan mo, it's chaitra mo. So originally when self-ignorance was there, it was only mo. Once you realize that I am pure soul, it becomes two parts of darshan mo and charitra mo. So now darshan mo is gone and charitra mo remain. So just what we have to do when that charitra mo comes, at that time you have to just observe. Okay.
Yes. 100%. Thank you.
Jai Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand.
Kare bhai?
Kare bhai, you are mute. You unmute yourself.
Thank you. Sir, I want to know whether in our earth, Brahma is there, God is there or not.
Okay. You are using first two Agnya by first relative viewpoint, by real viewpoint.
Real viewpoint and relative viewpoint.
So in all living beings,
comes first.
In all living being, you know that real is there.
Real means it is a soul. Soul
and
is
that soul, and soul is God.
Soul is God. So all creature also it have the God.
Yes, definitely God is within all living being.
All living being.
With covering.
With covering.
With coverings. And Paramatma means the pure soul without covering.
And he is
all types of coverings are unveiled.
And Paramatma is living there.
Paramatma at present in our birth kshetra, no Paramatma.
In Bharat Kshetra,
Dada Bhagwan was very near to Paramatma. So we can say that Dada Bhagwan was there. Only 4 degrees that covering of 4 degree out of 360, that
nahi.
same small portion was remained. But ideally, Dada Bhagwan, what Dada Bhagwan was saying, ideally you can say Paramatma. Ideally.
Along with the
But,
Dada Bhagwan,
but
who is another
356
Paramatma
degree
in,
is almost Paramatma. So for you, I am Paramatma.
for you,
I am Paramatma.
you are Paramatma.
Dada Bhagwan was saying that for you, I am Paramatma. If you keep this thing, then you will have benefit of that, as if you are worshipping, doing darshan, listening Paramatma, that type of benefit will be there. Because the difference is only 4 degree.
Only Dada is Paramatma, and another nobody is there Paramatma in our earth.
How it can be possible?
It may be.
It is not possible. Even we all Mahatmas, we are very near to Paramatma, but still you can't say I am Paramatma.
Near to the Paramatma.
Very near,
Only Mahatma.
near means say some 350 degree, 355 degree, not 55, 50 degree, 52 degree.
Then to who's taking the decision of 50 degree and 40 degree?
You have not to take, I have not to take. When that state of being will be unveiled, people will come to know automatically.
Means realization is there.
Yes, realization is there, but that past karma, they are remaining. For Bhagwan Mahavir, all the past karmas are settled. He has only 4 aghati karma. And for Dada Bhagwan, only 4 degrees karma are remaining.
It is written in the Shastra and all these things, Jain Dharma. Nobody had seen all these things. 4 degree or 8 degree and 9 degree, whatever it may be.
When you say it is written in Shastra, nobody has seen. Okay, when you say nobody has seen, then why you give reference of Shastra and books and person?
See, because I just due to the oldest religion, Hindu Dharma, that's why I was thinking.
But that is your viewpoint. It is oldest religion. It can be true. It cannot be true. Actually, oldest religion is Vitrag Marg.
Vitrag Marg.
So at the time of Lord Mahavir, it was there. And before this, Chauvisi, it was there. Before that also it was there. So it is a Sanatan Marg.
Sanatan Dharma, whatever it means.
Not Dharma, Sanatan Marg.
Sanatan Marg. What is the meaning of meaning of the Sanatan?
Vitrag Marg. Marg means path.
Path.
The path, if you walk on that path day by day, your rag and dvesh will reduce.
That is the executive action. Rag and dvesh, whatever it may be, it is a old birth action, karma.
You don't confuse yourself. What is the meaning of rag? Rag and dvesh.
Rag, dvesh,
as far as egoism is there, rag and dvesh is there. Then why are you saying old and new?
It is the means executed action of the last birth.
Now, you simple thing. When it is rag or when it is dvesh. When self-ignorance is there, rag or dvesh, or krodh, man, maya, love, anger, pride, attachment, greed, lust, all that thing is there. Don't a simple, make it simple. Now you say it is a discharging part. Oh, you forget all that thing. You simply understand simple thing. Okay, now you have realized that you are Suddhatma, means no rag and dvesh. Means you are walking on Vitrag Marg. But what is a thermometer? So for you, thermometer is day by day, you can remain more and more in your pure soul state, is thermometer. And those used in Kramic mark, for them, what is thermometer? So day by day, their anger, pride, attachment, avarice, lust, everything will decrease. Day by day, it will reduce, diminishing to zero. And for us, our state of being will increase, that state will increase day by day. Clear?
Okay, Karebai? Okay,
Okay,
our
okay.
time is up. So,
Okay,
Patanji,
okay.
please recite the three mantra and Karebai, please follow.
Namo Vitragay,
Namo Vitragai,
Namo Arihantanam,
Namo Arihantanam,
Namo Siddhanam,
Namo Siddhanam,
Namo Ayariyanam,
Namo Ayariyanam,
Namo Uvajjayanam,
Namo Vajjayanam,
Namo Loe Savva Sahunam,
Namo Loe Sauva Sahunam,
Aiso Panchanamukaro,
Aiso Panchanamukkaro,
Savva Pavappanasano,
Sauva Pavappanasano,
Mangalanam Cha Savvesim,
Mangaladam Cha Sauve Sim,
Padmam Havai Mangalam.
Padvam Havai Mangalam.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Jai Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand. Oh, Gangadhar, you there? You didn't ask me any question today?
I'm listening.
Okay. Because you my guru. You are my guru. You met me. You met me in Nigeria, and at that